Right, hi there guys. I'm in here with a wee bit of an unboxing for you. I got this delivered just a couple of days ago. Excuse me, as you can hear, I've still got the lurgy. So I'm going to do an unboxing for this. This is the We Are Makers Thermal Cinch. Okay, so first off I'm going to lift this out of the big box here. And I'm going to, this is all the things that came with it. So I'm going to lift all them out first and we'll go through them first. Okay. Right, I bought this as a deal off of Hobby Maker TV in the UK. And this is the first thing I've bought off it because I really don't like the shopping channels anymore. Right, all these things came with it as part of the deal. I'll go through them maybe one at a time. And there was two of them were extras in the deal just because it was a birthday celebration type thing that they were doing. So this is your We Are Makers Thermal Cinch, and these are your wee dangles, for want of a better word, that you can put in your spines. There you are. And there's 6 of them, 2, 4, 6 of them. And there's loads and loads of spines. This here I thought, oh well, you know, it might be handy for some. It's actually a stencil bookmark, and it's for use people that maybe use them in your journals. It's got the plain lines and wee shapes and things like that and your numbers on it, and again they'll go in through your spine when you're hot gluing it at the end. It might be quite handy, it might be quite handy for journals. Now, you get loads of spines. There's only 4 in that stencil packet though. These spines here, these are quite large, these spines, and you get 6 in it. You can see the different designs there at the bottom. I think there's 2 of each maybe. Oh no, there you are, there's all the designs there on the back. And it's for doing your spines. Now the videos I've been looking at, most people don't like, because that's the size there that goes round onto the front of your book. And if you're not doing a large book, that's quite a large bit to go over your cover at the front. So if you're maybe cutting that in half, I would cut that in half as well. It is a bit thick. So there's 6 of them. There's 6 of your kind of file folder ones here. These are called labels. I've just called them labels. And there's 6 in it. And there's your colours there, kind of earthy colours there. Earth tone colours. This packet's all burst. Just noticed. Right. And here is scalloped edge spines. It's just the same again. They call them die cut spines. And again, there's 6 in them. And there's just their things there. But if you didn't like that, I mean, you could put an edgeable or an edger die down the side there. Cut your own. This is your glue sticks that came with it. There was only 12 came with it. Now, if anybody knows anything, Temu and AliExpress sell these glue sticks, and they sell them in packs of 100. And it's something like £6 or £8. It's no dear. I'm going to buy a pack just for, you can't damage this machine, right? You can clean it, you can't damage it. So I'm going to buy some of the ones from Temu or AliExpress just for a comparison to see. You can also buy wider strips as well. So I'm going to give that a go as well. But anyway, you get 12 in the packet there. They're a decent size. What size are they? Let me see. There's 40. Oh, James Carline did it right. 30 centimetres, maybe. There's 12 in that. Right, most spines, just basic colours. It says neutrals on here. There's your colours there on the end. 6 of them again. Excuse me, guys. This is your retro. Again, 6 of them. And they're like A4 size. Obviously it's from American Crafts, so it might be American sizes, you know, but for us, I reckon it'll be slightly bigger than an A4. They're about 30 centimetres anyway. And there's your designs in the retro. Now, I get why they're putting all them in to bulk up the price, but to be honest with you, I think I would rather make my own spines to match my own books. This is your rainbow colour, 6 spines. Again, same again. There's your colours on the back. And it does give you these wee QR code type things. I suppose you can scan them in and get a bit of inspiration or something. And I'm sure this is the 2 things that were free. It might not have been, but if it wasn't that, it was definitely that. It might have been another one of them, I don't know, of the wee ones. This one here is charm bookmarks. It's basically, guys, a piece of ribbon with a wee dangle on it, and that's all that it is. Again, you get 6 of them in it. It says easily adheres to your thermal cinch projects. Well, I take it will because it's hot glue after all. And then you've got 2, 4, 6, 8 wee bookmarks. And they're all on that same ribbon. But if nothing else, guys, there's the designs there on the back of that. If nothing else, it gives you ideas of what you can do for yourself. That you can make these things and do them yourself, okay? So, and I'll tell you the price I paid for this. I paid £149.99. Oops, sorry. And that was for everything that you're seeing here today. It's for the cinch. Now, a lot of people are going to say you can buy cheaper online, right? And I was one of the people, and I went online to look and see, and I looked through Temu and AliExpress and all the auction sites and things like that, and it was very, very difficult to find one with a UK plug and a UK power supply. The rest of them were like European, American, things like that, and they don't do here. You can buy a converter if you want to go to trouble, but it's not worth it. I've lost quite a few things doing it that way. And on Amazon, you can buy ones that they use in the offices, and they were anything from about £75. I mean, they were going right up to £600 and £700. Don't know who would pay that. You're off your head if you pay that. So, see, all in all, for quick processing, I mean, I was less than a week for ordering this till it was delivered. And the extras that you got with it, and just for convenience. And it was my birthday and it was Mother's Day, and I bought it. So, right. I don't like the box. Look at the state of the box. This is the first time I've opened this box, by the way. Look at the state of it. It's all falling to bits. So, the packaging is absolutely mince. The packaging is rubbish. And I'm going to bend this one down. And there you go. You can see in front of your eyes. It's all snapping and splitting. Not good. Not good at all. Okay, so let me put the box out the way. And here's the thing itself. And you get your diagram and your instruction thing with it, I assume. There you are. And on the back it gives you your instructions, your picture manual, whatever. Power supplies are already attached, good thing. We're getting also another pack of spines in here. And a wee tiny bull clip. What that's supposed to hold together, I have no idea. Mine's are about this size, they're massive. But there's a wee one. That's a wee one for me compared to their ones, so they're tiny. So you get a wee pack of spines with it as well. Mine's in there, half a dozen. And I apologise if you can hear the rain outside, guys. It's absolutely, as we would say in Scotland, it's absolutely belting it down. Which means it's absolutely torrential rain. Now, first impressions, this machine, there's no weight in it, and I mean no weight. I would say it's less than a half a bag of sugar, which in the UK a bag of sugar's £2. £2 in weight, okay? And I would say it's not even as heavy as that. Right, this is your dust cover, pretty slack. And you know what? It's pretty flimsy overall. It is pretty flimsy. It's quite rocky actually now that I'm doing that. I mean, I'm just tipping that, so I would maybe watch that, especially when you're tipping that back. I would maybe watch that with wee kids if you're going to do this in at schools and things. Right, I'm not switched it on. As you can see in there, let me see if you can see in there. Yes, you can, so stand up and do this, right? Your boot goes in there, and these wee dudes, they open up. Okay? They don't physically clip open, they just basically bend open. And that's your heat plate in the inside, okay? So that metal bit along the bottom is the only bit that heats up. Okay? Let me see if I've got something maybe a wee bit thicker that would... My ruler, where's my ruler? There, it's there. Because this will open it up. Now obviously, don't stick anything in it when it's on. When it's on. Now if you're putting a book in, can you see that? Can you see that there, how it's just opening up? That's the whole process there, guys. It's just like a wee clamp. It's quite stiff. It's no, oh my goodness, you can't get anything in there. But there is a bit of stiffness to it. So I reckon it would hold your book quite firm. So, but it is really flimsy, guys. It is really flimsy. You've got your wire thing round the bottom. Now I'm not going to switch it on this time. As you can hear, I'm a bit unwell. My throat's still a bit bad. But as I said, I'm getting there, I'm getting over it 2 weeks later. And this is my second chest infection this year. Everybody around here is getting it, it's been really bad. Put your wire round there and there you go. I think we'd have to put that up to the front. So, if you want to see me make some projects with this new machine, tell me what you would like to see, give me some of your ideas, and I'll get on it for you. Okay guys, happy crafting. I hope you enjoyed that wee look into the Cinch machine. As I said, £150 UK. It was £149.99. And you get quite a bit with it, so I can't complain. Okay, if you like that video, please hit the like and subscribe. Please tell your friends where I am. I'm going to try and build my channel. I know I've been saying it, but you know, life's through us all a lot of spanners in the last couple of years. Keep crafting, guys. Take a love, and I'll see you all again the next time. Bye.